here from Southern Delight. I'm really glad that you're joining me today. Well, welcome to my channel if you're new here. Well, I am a crafter, and today I want to share with you just something that I usually do. I am a crafter, not a therapist, but I have found that craft can help relieve a lot of stress. And I wanted to just pass along some of these little ideas to you if you are out there dealing with anger issues, stress, or if you've got some type of buried emotion down in there and you're not having any way to express it. I want to show you this short little video to show you some creative ideas on how you can manage that. Well, today we're going to actually be doing a craft that I am going to title the Smash Hit. So what you're going to want to need for this project is you want to go and find you a ceramic plate. I happen to pick this one up from Walmart. I think I paid probably $1.14 for it. And then you're going to need you some just colored Sharpie markers. Okay, once you've got your materials together, what you're going to want to do is just right in the center of your plate, kind of put in there what emotion are you dealing with, or what are you wanting to do. Like I have titled mine, Letting Go and Letting God. Okay, and after you have put, named your plate in the center, just go around and name off some of the things that you're wanting to get rid of. Insecurity, past failures, dislike, anger, heartbreak, brokenness. Those are just some few ideas there. Sadness, depression, whatever it is that you're wanting to get rid of. Just write that down on the plate, and we'll go on to the next step and show you what we're gonna do with these guys. I went ahead and put my plate in a garbage bag because I don't want this all over the place, and I've got my hammer here. Okay, for the fun part, we're gonna smash it. All those negative emotions. And holding you back in life, all those negative feelings inside, smash it, smash it, smash it. These are actually sparking. Yeah, they had some fire. When you let go and let God, the ashes and the broken pieces, I want to show you how God can use that to make something even better than where you were at before. So stay tuned, because we're going to get busy on the next part. Okay, for the second part of this video, I had gone to the Goodwill, and I picked up just some everyday items, just items that people just got tired of, they don't want to use anymore, just things they thought were ugly and old and just wanted to get rid of. Sometimes our lives kind of feel like all of these broken glass here, all these fragile pieces, because life just has a tendency to kind of just break us down, break us apart. And I started separating these out, and look at how beautiful. These look like jewels, and I'm going to be using them in some other projects. I'm going to give them new life. I've got new vision for some of these. Some of them I may take and just break down a little bit more and process them, kind of like life again. You know, we go through ups and downs, and each time they kind of crush us a little bit more, but in the end it'll be worth it, and I'm going to show you, so stay tuned. Okay, so I took a plastic bowl, poured some Mod Podge in it, and then I'm going to dump some of the broken glass inside of it. And be very careful, like I said, these objects are sharp. Okay, and as you can see, I've taken the broken glass, mixed it in the Mod Podge, and then I just put it, these little pictures are great because they already had gold highlights in them, and I was able to kind of just pick and choose where I wanted to add the glass to. And then we're just going to let that set and dry. I'm telling you, I've given them new vision. We're going to bring these babies back to life. So I can't wait to see what they're going to look like after they dry. I'm going to take the other, the broken pieces that I'm not using. Don't throw these away. Broken glass is quite expensive now. These are quite valuable, even all in the broken pieces that they are, because I can... Okay, here is my final masterpiece. Oh, I am just loving these. They are so, so, so pretty. They're going to be so wonderful in my bathroom. I have a nautical theme and they are going to work wonderfully.